This red fruit is obtained from a native West African plant known as Syncypalum dulcificum. At first glance, it may seem like a regular berry, but sometimes looks can be deceiving. In the core of the pulp, there is a naturally occurring molecule that produces such amazing results that it has come to be known as the miracle fruit. Thanks to its astonishing taste-related properties, the miracle fruit may become one of the most innovative and revolutionary smart foods to step into our daily lives. The active substance contained in the pulp of this fruit is a glycoprotein called miraculin, made up of 191 amino acids and 5 oligosaccharides, which is responsible for this taste-altering effect. It can be taken either in its natural form or as tablets made from the extract of its pulp. But how does this miracle fruit really work? First, let's briefly look at our sense of taste and the different tastes we can perceive on our tongue. There are specialized receptors inside our taste buds distributed along the surface of the tongue that can detect the basic tastes: sweet, salty, sour, bitter, and umami. Under normal conditions, after introducing a lemon into our mouth, the molecules responsible for the sour taste, such as citric acid, stimulate their respective receptors, allowing the individual to experience a sour sensation. The lower the pH of the food, the greater the sourness perceived. Similarly, by consuming a sweet food, the activation of the specific sweet receptors associated with the perception of sweetness occurs. But what happens if we consume a miracle fruit tablet? After dissolving in our mouth, the miraculin is released and specifically binds to the sweet taste receptors with high affinity. The sourness of any product ingested, such as a lemon, will trigger the miraculin in response to the change in the pH of the mouth, thereby actively stimulating the sweet receptors to which it is binded. The lower the pH of the food, the greater the sweetness perceived. The result is a taste-transforming effect that allows the consumer to obtain sweet sensations without the need of added sugar or artificial sweeteners, in addition to a mind-blowing taste experience he or she will never forget. The effect produced by this berry lasts for about an hour, depending on the amount and type of food consumed, the temperature, and each individual person's palate. After this period of time, normal perception of taste returns without any residual effects.